health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have 3 delicious salmon recipes for weight loss. Let's get cooking and work towards a healthier you. Wait, before starting the salmon recipe video, we introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3. Spicy Cajun salmon with avocado salsa. Our third recipe is spicy Cajun salmon with avocado salsa. It's a fiesta of flavors. Rub salmon fillets with Cajun seasoning and sear them in a hot skillet. Top with creamy avocado salsa for a burst of freshness. This salmon is spicy, creamy, and oh so satisfying. Recipe 2. Teriyaki glazed salmon. Next up, we have teriyaki glazed salmon. It's a sweet and savory delight. Marinate salmon fillets in a homemade teriyaki sauce and grill or broil until caramelized. This salmon is succulent, flavorful, and a true crowd pleaser. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Lemon dill baked salmon. Our first recipe is lemon dill baked salmon. It's a burst of fresh flavors. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet, drizzle with lemon juice, and sprinkle with fresh dill. This salmon is tender, zesty, and perfect for a light dinner. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get Alpilean? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.